Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Monday, February 22nd, 2021. We're talking about curiosity this week. And look who came to join me. Curious George is here. Say hi to everybody, George. We're going to talk all about curiosity this week. But first, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You can have a seat. So we're talking about curiosity this week and being curious. And here's what I need you to do with me. First thing, just kind of rub your chin. Maybe rub your beard, if you have a beard. And just turn and look at your friend and say, I wonder. Okay, show me a good slant. Look back up here at me. You're probably wondering about all kinds of things. We're going to talk about that this week. We're going to talk about why that's important to wonder about things. We're going to talk about the important things Curious George does, which is kind of weird because I was just reading some Curious George books. I have a whole bunch of them back here that I borrowed from kindergarten. And he does a lot of weird stuff. Like this one right here is Curious George goes to a chocolate factory. Remember that, George? And you did all the silly stuff in the chocolate factory. And then we had this one, which we're going to look at tomorrow, where he goes to the railroad station. He did some silly stuff in that one. He goes camping. Come on, all kinds of silly stuff. Well, he's always seen things, and he's just wondering about them, and he just goes, I wonder. But Curious George, he's pretty special, and he really shows the virtue of curiosity, which we're going to talk about this week is a great virtue. And he doesn't just sit there and scratch his head or scratch his chin and say, I wonder. After he wonders about something, he goes and he tries to figure it out. Right, George? Trying to figure that stuff out? Yeah, look, he's nodding his head right there. Hey, I want you to chat with your class today and just try and come up with anything that you're curious about. What have you wondered about? Man, my brothers and I used to sit around when we were kids and just wonder about the weirdest thing. Like, who came up with the name for bread? Oh, who thought of that? Who decided to call bread bread? Who invented the pencil? And before you had the pencil, what did you do? How did you write? So, have a little chat with your class. What are you curious about? And you can use that sentence starter. I wonder. I thought of another spot that you probably see this a lot, which is on Mystery Doug, when the kids come on at the end and they say, hey, Doug, why do doves fly around in little pairs? Or, hey, Doug, can you tell us about this? They're showing curiosity too. So have a chat with your class. I wonder. Tell your friends, what are you wondering about? Have a great day, Achieve.